What's up, guys? This is in follow-up to my previous Tenda video. Before, I reviewed the Tenda SG105D, and right now I've acquired its bigger brother, or its big brother, the Tenda SG108. Let me just give you guys a closer look at that one. So this is an 8-port gigabit switch, desktop gigabit switch, and I'm unboxing it in front of you for the first time. So to open the box, I just have to pop this up right here. Ta-da! Straight out of the box is that tray. And this is our unit right here. So I'm just gonna out of the plastic. Yeah. Nice, right? This is the most satisfying video I'll ever see today. So satisfying. So this is how it looks like. Let me get its bigger brother. Let me get its smaller brother. So this is the Tenda. That's a Tenda SG105. It has 5 gigabit ports, and the bigger brother, Tenda SG108, with 8 gigabit ports. So just like his baby brother, the Tenda logo up here, and the indicator lights up here. And I've imagined it as, I've imagined it as really, really big, just like my TP-Link gigabit switch, which is placed around here. That's my TP-Link switch, and this is the Tenda switch. So in comparison, so I bought this for 1,000 pesos, including shipping. That one, my TP-Link costs 1,300, 1,500. This is 1,000 pesos all in all, includes the shipping. And again, right from the box, it has the Chinese manual, which we can't read because we're Filipinos, not unless you know how to read Chinese, that is. And the adapter, I think it's the same adapter as the SG105. So let me just compare their voltage. Let me just get the adapter from the SG105. So this is the adapter from SG105. Let's go ahead and check the ratings. That's 5 volts and 0.6 amps. And this one is another 5 volts and 0.6 amps. So to power this thing on, you'll need to insert the adapter to the power input right here. I'm just gonna insert it to an outlet, and voila. Now let's check if each of the port works. So inserting this one now at port 1. port 2. Okay, so going back to port 1, port 1, port 3, port 4, port 5, port 6, yeah, port 7, and port 8. Yeah, the ports all working. So again, this is actually good compared to the fast Ethernet switches, which offers you up to 100 Mbps speed, but this gives you a 1 gigabyte speed in terms of transfers. So if go ahead and check my other video about the SG105 if you prefer a smaller desktop switch, gigabit switch, or you can go for this, the Tenda SG108D switch. I think it's still pretty small for its size, and it can fit any desk if you want to, if you're the minimalist type. So this is another bang for the buck Tenda product. See you guys.